Hello everybody, this is Maxi right here and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to the 5 types of flowers embroidery. Don't forget to check the part 1 of this tutorial. Good luck! Number 3. Come up from the back of the fabric to the face of the fabric. Put your needle down at a small distance from the starting point and come back up again near the starting point. Wind the thread around the needle many times. You should guesstimate how much would fill the area between the starting point and the end point. Number 4. Gently bring up the needle through the coils. If you have problem with the last step, you should rotate the coil so the needle can come out easier. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and push that bell icon so you will not miss any new videos I upload. Thank you! Number 4. For this one, bring the needle out from one location, go in a little bag, and come out from the first location. Here, in order to have bigger stitches, I use a toothpick. You can use a thicker needle too. Twist the thread with your finger. This creates a twisted loop. Take it closer to the needle. Now put the loop toward the base. Keep making more loops on the needle, and at the end, hold the wraps between your fingers and pull out the needle. That's it. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video with your friends and save it to your library. And finally, the number 5. This lazy daisy stitch is so easy. You just need to create a single chain stitch, then use a straight stitch to hold the loop in place. That's it. Now let's see the result. In order to fill the space between flowers and also in the middle of the second flower we made, you need the French knots. If you don't know how to do the French knots, there's no problem. You can go watch my previous video, which is the part 1 of this tutorial, and learn how to do it. Have a good time. Thank you everybody so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.